Bitbank app. The pros, the cons. The Bitbank app is a Japan-based cryptocurrency exchange focused on Bitcoin and major altcoins. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for Japanese users. The platform supports global access for certain regions. Pros include low trading fees, a simple and clean interface, and strong security features like two-factor authentication and cold storage. The app supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few other major cryptocurrencies, with real-time charts and portfolio tracking. Regulatory compliance in Japan ensures safety and reliability. Cons include a limited selection of cryptocurrencies compared to global exchanges, custodial wallets, and fewer advanced trading features. Some users outside Japan may face restrictions or slower deposits and withdrawals. In conclusion, the Bitbank app is perfect for traders looking for a secure, reliable, and straightforward crypto platform. While it has fewer altcoins and advanced features, it's ideal for safe and regulated trading of major cryptocurrencies.